science has now discovered that virtually everything to do with weight loss for both men and women is controlled by one master hormone. This hormone that controls 100% of your body's ability to burn fat is leptin. You may not know how leptin works, so let me quickly explain. High levels of leptin speed up your metabolism and signal your body to burn fat, and low levels of leptin slow down your metabolism and signal your body to store fat. Those are the basics. Now get ready for some surprising facts regarding women and leptin. Researchers recently discovered that women naturally have twice as much of the fat-burning hormone leptin in their body compared to men. That's the good news. However, brand new research revealed the following bad news that explains why women can struggle so much to lose unattractive body fat and keep it off. First, women can be 3 times less responsive to leptin's signal to burn fat than men. This means even though women have a lot more leptin, they just aren't using its fat-burning potential. This condition is known as leptin resistance. An obvious sign of leptin resistance is the soft, squishy, cottage cheese-looking fat found in your problem areas. However, leptin resistance is just one of 2 unique problems that kills female fat loss. The second unique problem women face with leptin is that when dieting, your leptin levels can drop twice as much and twice as fast compared to when men diet. As talked about, when leptin drops, your metabolism hits the brakes and slows right down. This is exactly why you experience frustrating weight loss plateaus on diets so much faster than men. And have you ever suffered from the terrible rebound weight gain after you stop a diet? Well, that's because your leptin drops significantly, making your metabolism even slower than before you started the diet, resulting in fat piling back on even when you're eating next to nothing. So, to quickly recap, unique problem number 1 you face when trying to lose weight is your resistance or insensitivity to leptin signal to burn fat, which is basically like having your body's fat-burning switch set to off. And unique problem number 2 you face is the rapid drop in your leptin levels when you diet, which slows down your metabolism substantially and leads to frustrating weight loss plateaus and massive rebound weight gain. Not fun. Fact is, evolution has made it much more difficult for women to lose weight by keeping leptin's signal to burn fat disconnected because of the demands of childbearing and child nurturing. Your body doesn't know or care about your desires for a sexy waistline that looks hot in those skinny jeans. All it knows is the unattractive body fat you're carrying provides stored energy and warmth to ensure protection and survival of the next generation. With this being the case, guess what happens to your leptin issues following pregnancy? Well, they get a lot worse, which is exactly why losing the baby weight can be painstakingly difficult, as my sister Lisa knew all too well. You see, your body's hardwired to fight a losing battle with leptin every single time you attempt to lose weight. And I'm sure you can now truly understand why this is totally not your fault. Yet this is where it gets real interesting. Recall the good news researchers discovered. You naturally have twice as much leptin as a man. This, as odd as it sounds, means you have much more fat-burning potential than men. It's just almost completely untapped. It's like your genetics have been playing a cruel trick on you. Yet, what if I told you there is a solution to turn the tables on your genetics by resetting the way your body utilizes leptin to permanently turn your fat-burning switch all the way on and never let it drop again? Can you imagine how much faster and easier you lose weight when you have your master fat-burning hormone working in overdrive for you instead of against you? The difference is like night and day. Can you picture how much firmer and flatter your stomach becomes and how much tighter and sexier you look and feel? Well, you can make this your reality starting today, just like all of the real everyday women you've been seeing have. There is now a solution proven to deliver these spectacular results, and it's called Metabolic Override. Metabolic Override consists of simple, yet extremely powerful strategies that hold the key to unleashing your full fat-burning potential that your genetics has kept locked away your whole life. These totally unique strategies have transformed Lisa, her friends, and now countless hundreds of women have experienced the same shocking, life-changing results. The tried, true, and proven metabolic override strategies have now been honed into one guaranteed plan for permanent female fat loss.